welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mintay papers, and I want to play with stencils today. I've got this gorgeous new stencil. I have not used it yet. It is called Meadow, and we've got these like amazing kind of floral wildflower plant kind of things going on with it, right? Let me hold it like that. So I thought I would use this, but I wanted to try out this stencil using different mediums. So what I thought I would do is I thought we could do it with some chalk paste and I think I'm going to try to mix the chalk paste with some chalk paint. The chalk paint I have out right now is Forest. It is a great match for the collection I'm looking at. I also have some inks, and I also have some Nouveau drops. I think I'm going to go, these are a little bit more clear, so I think I'm going to use this color here. That is called apple green. Super cute. So the point is, I'm using greens. Let me show you my photo and you'll understand why. I've got this photo here of my husband in our garden out in our backyard. And as you can see, it is doing very, very well. We've got cucumbers, zucchini, tomatoes, peppers, all of the things. My daughter took this photo and I thought it was great. And if you look really carefully, right there, you can see deer out back. So that's what I have. And I was going, okay, how do I want to do this? Because I want to show off different things you can do with these stencils. So I grabbed this collection called Country Fair. This can be my background. And I'm just going to do a fun, easy grid design using 9 of these frames. So since I want to show off, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since I want to show off how these different things will work through the stencil, I'm going to cut out 9. I'm going to try to go for some that are a little bit more plain. It's not going to be super easy. Oh wait, you know what? I have 2 of this paper, so I can. I'm going to use paper number 3 for my background and paper number 6 for the frames. So let me get my frames cut out. I think I'm going to scuff them up as well. I think that would be fun. And I'm going to scuff them before I use these different techniques so I can just set them aside to dry. I'm going ahead and mixing some of this gorgeous Kreativa paint with the chalk paste, and I don't want it perfectly mixed. I always like when things look just a little bit variegated. So that is my intention there. I need a tiny bit more of the green though. Tiny bit more. Then I'm just going to put it through these gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. And I'm going to concentrate. I got to decide really quickly. Do I want all of my pieces going up this way with my photo this way, or do I want them going on the side and mimicking? I think I want them going upwards. Okay, I had to decide that before I put on my paste. And I'll go ahead and pop this right on top. And some of these really look like the garden scene. So I'm going to just grab that and go right through all the way across. I'm not going to worry about getting it inside the frame area because I think it'll be a lot more interesting to see it over the entire thing. So let's see how this looks. I'll pull it up. Oh, no, I won't. And there you go. How cute is that? I'll set it aside to dry and do the next 2. I had some extra chalk paste left over and I just wanted to show you how gorgeous that looks. I'm not using this for a background right now, but I will in the future and I love it. So next I'm going to go ahead and use my beautiful stencil with some Nouveau drops just to see what we get. I've done this before with stencils. Now this doesn't come out as crisp and that's totally okay. But you do get a lovely bit of dimension and some shine. So just try to get it on there without like, you know, getting it underneath too much. I mean, there's only so much you can do. And once again, I am going ahead and going all the way to the edges. I will pull it up and we'll, oh, it does the same thing. It's stuck. But we've got ourselves a nice little bit of limey green with some shine. Ooh, I like that. So the last technique I'm going to use is using some distress oxides or any kind of inks through this. I have two colors that I'm going to use, and I think between the two of them, I will end up with the right color. So I'm just going to do some simple applying of one, then grabbing the other to brighten it up. This is going to give me kind of that bright yellowy green kind of vibe that you get with a vegetable garden. So I thought that would be super fun. Guys, this is like the easiest technique ever. There's nothing fancy whatsoever with this, but I did think it was pertinent to see how it looked through these gorgeous stencils. Guys, come on now. That is a perfect garden green. All right, I have to let all of these things sit aside to dry for a while, and I'll be back and we'll put it together. I have my grid completed. I keep moving this around, deciding where to put my photo, but totally doesn't matter. My husband's pretty much centered on the project, and you can see the different stencil materials that I use throughout. So look at how fun it is. This one, of course, is that chalk kind of finish. This one has a nice bit of shine on it. And this one, of course, is flat with it just being ink. So super cool. Love that. Now what I wanted to do, I want to do this super green, right? But with the embellishments, that's where I wanted to get the beautiful, guys, it says gardening. And what I wanted to do, guys, I just saw that. I wanted to use the awesome, so my title can be Awesome Gardening. And I'm going to go ahead and ink that in a minute. Okay, I'm so excited about that. So this is where I was going to bring in lots of color. I thought it would be so great to bring in color with all of these beautiful embellishments because, ooh, planting journal's cute, because we've got all of these pieces that are amazing. And we have tomatoes on tomatoes on tomatoes coming in, so I really wanted to make sure, look at that farm charm, really wanted to make sure to tomato it up. Now in my little bin here, I have 2 full sets of die cuts, so if you see lots and lots of the same thing, that's why. Because I'm going off, doing the things, guys, look at that. So I have a farmer's tote, and I have this beautiful little farm box here. So I'm kind of vibing the photo right where it is. I've used this kit so much because it's seriously one of my faves. So let me see if there's anything that I have to matte this with. Okay, I'm gonna matte this with a little bit of this pink and this blue, just my photo. Cut it really nice in straight lines because I already have that there. I'm not gonna do a really big matte, only because, yeah, I want room for all of these gorgeous embellishments. So I've shown you the basics of what I have going on. Cute little orange pepper. This is what I have going. I will come back and show you the finished layout in a moment. All right, my friends, this layout is finished. I had a blast playing with my stencils today and creating this. Love how well this title came out. It was perfect, perfect for my photo. All right, guys, I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. You guys know you can always go to mintaypapers.com to see all of these amazing collections. And yeah, that's what I have for you guys today. Bye for now, friends.